Okay guys, let's read our Bible. Let's go to Genesis, the account of the creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of the God was hovering over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. Then He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and darkness night. And the evening passed, and the morning came, making the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heaven from the waters of the earth." And that is what happened. God made this space to separate the waters of the earth from the waters of the heavens. God called the space sky. The evening passed and the morning came, making the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into the place, so dry ground may appear." And that is what happened. God called the day ground, land, and the water seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetations, every sort of seed-bearing plant, and trees that grow seed-bearing fruit. These seeds will then produce these kinds of plants and trees from which they came." And that is what happened. The land produced vegetation, all sorts of seed-bearing plants and trees with seed-bearing fruit. Their seeds produces plants and trees of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed, and the morning came, making the third day. And God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from night. Let them light signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shed down on the earth." And that is what happened. God made two great lights, the large one to govern the day and the smaller one to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to light the earth, to govern the day, the night, and to separate light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed, and morning came, making fourth day. Then God said, "Let waters swarm with fish and the other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." So God created great sea creatures and every living things that swarms in the water, and every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind. And God saw this it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply. Let the fish fill in seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." And the evening passed, and the morning came, making the fifth day. God said, "Let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind, livestock, small animals that scurry along the ground, and wild animals." And that is what happened. God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals, each able to produce offspring of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image, to be like us. They will reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and the livestock, all wild animals on the earth, and the small animals that scurry along the ground." So God created human beings in His own image. In the image of God He created them, male and female He created them. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it, reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground." God said, "Look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the earth, and all the fruit trees for your food, and I have given every green plant as food for all the wild animals, the birds in the sky, and the small animals that scurry along the ground, everything that has life." And that is what happened. Then God looked over all He made, and He saw that it was very good. And evening passed, morning came, marking the sixth day. Genesis. Please guys follow for my next Bible readings. Thank you so much. God bless you all.